Listen, if you're not shopping at Dollar Tree this December, you might actually be leaving money and garden magic on the shelf. I'm serious. They brought out a few things this year that people walk past every single day, and these little overlooked items can save you time, grow your garden bigger, and even make your plants survive the crazy weather we're about to enter. And the funniest part? They're things most gardeners don't even think about buying there. Hey garden family, welcome back to Garden Homes. If you love turning little things into big results without breaking the bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm showing you the top 10 things you should be grabbing at Dollar Tree specifically this December 2025. And trust me, these aren't the usual seeds and pots everybody talks about. These are the items that quietly level up your garden behind the scenes, and you'll wonder how you ever lived without them. Before we dive in, do me one tiny favor. Hit that like button so YouTube knows we're saving gardens and saving money out here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, join the family. We make gardening easier, smarter, and way more affordable. Now let's get into the good stuff, because number one is something I'm almost scared to tell you about. Dollar Tree might actually get wiped out after this video. Number one, Dollar Tree stainless steel scrubbers. Most people only see these as kitchen cleaning tools, but in the garden world, stainless steel scrubbers are one of the cheapest hidden gems you can grab in December. If you've ever struggled with mineral buildup on your terracotta pots, stubborn algae on your planters, or rust trying to take over your pruning tools, these little scrubbers save the day. They clean without damaging your tools, they don't shed fibers like sponges, and they help keep your gardening equipment in top shape for the new year. A lot of people don't realize that dirty tools spread disease, weaken plants, and ruin fresh cuts. So keeping everything clean with something this cheap is a game changer. These scrubbers are also perfect for anyone who likes repurposing old containers. When you pick up thrifted pots or reused bottles, there's always grime hiding in corners. Stainless steel scrubbers get into those areas and give you a fresh, safe space to start your seedlings. And here's the part most gardeners miss. Using these on old plastic pots removes that thin film that prevents proper water flow. When your drainage holes are clogged with old dirt or algae, your soil retains too much moisture, which leads to root rot. Cleaning them out with a scrubber instantly improves drainage and oxygen flow for healthier roots. And let me give you a bonus hack. Cut a scrubber into smaller chunks and place one piece at the base of your pots before adding soil. It stops soil from leaking out of the drainage holes while still letting water flow freely. This small trick keeps your soil mix in the pot, reduces mess, and helps your plants drain better. It's simple, it's cheap, and honestly, it works way better than coffee filters or stones. That's why stainless steel scrubbers are one of the best Dollar Tree finds you can pick up this December. Number two, Dollar Tree mini LED push lights. Gardeners rarely think of lighting when they walk into Dollar Tree, but these tiny LED push lights are one of the smartest December buys, especially if you're trying to protect or boost your plants during short winter days. No, they're not grow lights, but when placed inside mini greenhouses, storage bin propagators, or small indoor plant shelves, they extend light hours just enough to prevent leggy, weak growth. For the price, they're a sneaky little advantage most gardeners overlook. Another underrated use is for monitoring your garden at night during frost season. Sometimes you just need to step outside, check your covers, and make sure your frost cloth hasn't blown off or your greenhouse vents didn't pop open. These push lights give a quick burst of brightness without carrying a heavy flashlight or using your phone. Stick one near your shed door, another near your raised beds or greenhouse entry, and suddenly those quick night checks become way easier. And because they're battery powered, you don't deal with wires or installation headaches. But here's the clever hack. Use these lights when starting seeds in reused containers. Tape one on the lid of a clear plastic bin, place your seed trays inside, and you've made a cheap, warming and light combo chamber that boosts germination during cold months. The gentle warmth from the light helps maintain a more stable temperature, especially overnight. It's not enough to cook your seedlings, but it creates just the right environment to keep them growing steady. In December, when daylight is short and temperatures drop fast, these mini LED push lights quietly become one of the most valuable little tools you can pick up at Dollar Tree. Number 3. Dollar Tree oven rack protectors, aluminum mesh sheets. Now, this one right here, if you've never used these in your garden, get ready because they are one of the most underrated Dollar Tree items you can buy in December. These thin aluminum mesh sheets are sold as oven rack protectors, but in the garden world, they instantly become lightweight frost shields for young plants. Lay them over seedlings or newly transplanted herbs at night, and they help break cold wind, hold in a bit of warmth, and stop sudden temperature drops from shocking your plants. They don't crush tender stems like heavy covers, and because the mesh allows airflow, your plants don't suffocate under them. You can also use these mesh sheets as a smart pest barrier. If you're overwintering leafy greens or herbs outdoors, December pests like snails and slugs love to hide in damp soil and come out at night. These mesh covers stop them without chemicals. They're also incredibly handy for keeping birds away from freshly mulched beds or newly planted winter garlic. Just bend them into little domes or lay them flat. It works either way. And because they're aluminum, they don't rust, mold, or break down easily. A single pack gives you multiple lightweight shields for different parts of your garden.
But here's the trick most gardeners never think about. Use the mesh sheets beneath heavy pots to improve airflow and keep the base dry. When pots sit directly on cold, wet floors in December, moisture collects under them, which leads to root diseases, fungus, and early rot. Placing a mesh sheet underneath lifts the pot slightly, allowing better circulation while still keeping it stable. It's such a small upgrade, but it extends the life of your pots and protects the roots of your plants during cold, damp winter weeks. For just $1 and some change, these oven rack covers quietly do the work of much more expensive gardening gear. Number 4, Dollar Tree Moisture Absorber Cups. This one shocks people every single time because nobody expects it to be a garden item, yet it quietly solves one of the biggest December problems: excess moisture. These moisture absorber cups are usually used inside closets and bathrooms, but when you place them inside your greenhouse, plant shelf, garage grow area, or anywhere you overwinter plants, they prevent humidity from building up too high. And during winter, that extra moisture is what creates mold on soil, fungal growth on leaves, and that sour smell gardeners hate. These cups pull the moisture from the air and help keep your indoor or covered growing spaces healthier and safer for your plants. What makes this so valuable in December is how unstable the weather gets. One warm afternoon followed by a freezing night creates condensation inside plastic greenhouses and storage bin propagators. That condensation drips back onto your plants and encourages damping off disease, especially in seedlings. Just one moisture absorber cup inside that space can reduce that risk dramatically. It keeps the environment balanced, so your young plants don't wake up drowning in moisture or fighting fungal issues. And the best part, it doesn't use electricity, doesn't need maintenance, and lasts weeks at a time. But here's the real hack most gardeners never consider. Put one of these cups inside your tool shed or wherever you store fertilizers, cocoa coir, peat moss, or potting mixes. Moisture ruins dry soil products faster than anything. It clumps them together, grows mold inside the bag, and even weakens fertilizer quality. With a moisture absorber in that space, your gardening supplies stay dry, fresh, and usable all winter long. For a simple Dollar Tree item, it protects your plants, your soil, and your tools all at once. Hold on, before I show you the next item, which honestly might be the most underrated gardening hack in the entire Dollar Tree, do me one quick favor. If you're getting value from this video, tap that like button real fast. It tells YouTube, yes, this content is actually helping me, and it pushes the video to more gardeners who need these money-saving tips. And while you're at it, drop a comment telling me which Dollar Tree item you've used in your garden before, or which one you're definitely grabbing after watching this. I love seeing what the Garden Homes family is experimenting with. Alright, let's get back into it because number 5 is something people think belongs in the beauty aisle, but gardeners, we've turned it into pure magic. Number 6, Dollar Tree aluminum foil sheets. Now, don't roll your eyes. These aren't just for leftovers. In the garden world, aluminum foil sheets are a secret weapon, especially in December when light is scarce and pests are still sneaky. One of the smartest uses is reflecting light toward your indoor seedlings or small winter greens. If your plants are stuck in a dim corner or on a shady windowsill, placing a sheet behind them bounces sunlight or grow light back onto the leaves, giving them more energy for photosynthesis. It's a cheap way to extend extend light exposure without buying expensive lamps. Aluminum foil sheets are also perfect for deterring certain pests. Tiny bugs like aphids or slugs don't like shiny, crinkly surfaces. You can wrap the base of pots or lay small strips around seedlings to keep them away from vulnerable roots and leaves. Unlike chemical sprays, it's safe for children, pets, and pollinators while still being effective. It's simple, safe, and super inexpensive compared to other pest control methods.
Here's the hack most gardeners never consider. Create mini heat traps for frost-sensitive plants. Line the inside of small cloches, cold frames, or plastic bins with aluminum foil to capture even the slightest warmth from the sun during the day. The foil reflects heat back onto your plants overnight when temperatures drop, giving them a gentle buffer against frost stress. For $1 at Dollar Tree, you get light reflection, pest deterrence, and frost protection all rolled into one, making aluminum foil sheets a December must-grab for smart gardeners. Number 7. Dollar Tree seedling trays, plastic compartment trays. Most people only think of these trays as a way to start a few flowers. But in December, they become a powerful tool for anyone serious about getting a head start on spring crops. These compact trays let you start cold-tolerant seedlings indoors, like kale, mustard greens, or herbs like cilantro and chives. Because each compartment keeps seedlings separate, it prevents overcrowding and root tangling, which is one of the biggest causes of early plant failure. And the best part, they're sturdy enough to reuse year after year if you clean them properly, making them a long-term money saver. Another clever use is organizing your cuttings. If you're propagating plants like rosemary, mint, or basil, each compartment gives you a tiny, controlled environment where cuttings can root safely. Add a little clear plastic wrap over the top to create mini greenhouses, and you have a perfect humidity-controlled space without spending a fortune on fancy propagation domes. Dollar Tree trays are small, but they create a professional setup for plant propagation that's usually reserved for commercial growers. And here's the hack most gardeners miss. Use these trays for overwintering small bulbs or tubers indoors. Separate each bulb into a compartment, fill lightly with soil or sawdust, and keep them in a cool, bright space. This prevents rot, keeps them organized, and makes planting in spring much easier. For just $1 per tray, you're not just starting seeds, you're creating a miniature, controlled growing lab that gives your garden a head start before anyone else even thinks about spring planting. Number 8. Dollar Tree garden gloves, thin, flexible pairs. You might think all garden gloves are the same, but these thin, flexible Dollar Tree gloves are a December game changer. Most gloves are thick and bulky, which is hard to handle small seeds, delicate seedlings, or prune tiny herbs. These lightweight gloves give you full dexterity, so you can work precisely without cutting yourself or bruising plants. They're especially handy when you're working with winter crops like microgreens, lettuces, or small potted herbs, where a gentle touch makes all the difference. Another brilliant use is layering. In December, the air is cold, but heavy gloves make fine tasks nearly impossible. These Dollar Tree gloves slip under thicker gloves for warmth, allowing you to maintain control while still keeping your hands protected from frost. That means you can still sow seeds, tie branches, or handle fragile leaves without sacrificing warmth or precision. Most gardeners underestimate how much glove choice affects the quality of work, but using the right pair keeps your plants safer and your hands happier. It's one of those small, overlooked tools that quietly makes a big difference. Number 9. Dollar Tree plastic plant labels. These little sticks are usually overlooked, but they are a December must-have for keeping your garden organized and stress-free. When you're starting winter herbs, leafy greens, or early spring seedlings indoors, it's easy to forget which plant is which, especially when they're tiny and look identical. Using these plastic plant labels lets you clearly mark every tray, pot, or container. Write the plant name, sowing date, or even care notes, and you'll never mix up your basil with your parsley or kale with your mustard greens. Organization like this saves time, prevents mistakes, and makes your garden feel professional, even on a budget. Another clever use is for tracking experiments.
Maybe you're testing which seedlings grow fastest under different lights, or which soil mix produces the strongest roots. Plant labels let you track every detail without having to remember it all in your head. And because they're plastic, they're waterproof and winterproof, so you can use them indoors, in cold frames, or in small greenhouses without worrying about them fading or falling apart. For just $1, these labels help you organize, experiment, and support your plants all at once. A small investment with a big impact.
Number 10, Dollar Tree garden twine. Could be natural jute or cotton. Most gardeners underestimate the power of a simple roll of twine, but in December, this little item becomes indispensable. Cold winds, heavy frosts, and unpredictable weather can easily topple small plants or damage delicate stems. Using twine, you can gently tie and support branches, secure mini row covers, or anchor protective mesh over winter crops. It's soft enough not to cut into stems, yet strong enough to hold plants upright during harsh conditions. For just $1, you get a versatile tool that keeps your garden organized and your plants safe. Another smart use is in DIY plant training. If you're growing herbs, small tomatoes, or trailing plants indoors, twine helps you guide stems along supports, trellises, or even a simple stick frame. This encourages straighter growth, better light exposure, and stronger plants without expensive clips or cages. Twine is flexible, reusable, and works for multiple projects, something every practical gardener loves, especially when trying to get a head start on spring growth. Here's a hack most gardeners overlook. Combine the twine with small Dollar Tree stakes or even wooden skewers to create mini cold frames or plant cages. Tie the twine across the top to support frost cloths or protective mesh, creating a mini microclimate that shields tender plants from freezing temperatures. It's simple, effective, and far cheaper than buying pre-made structures. For just $1, you get support, protection, and plant training all rolled into one, making garden twine a hidden hero for December gardening. And just like that garden family, we've uncovered 10 little Dollar Tree treasures that can completely change the way you handle your garden this December. From protecting your plants against frost, organizing your seedlings, to giving them just the right boost indoors, these items prove that you don't need to spend a fortune to make a big difference. It's all about spotting the hidden gems and knowing how to use them smartly. If you try even a few of these hacks, I promise you'll notice your plants looking healthier, stronger, and way more vibrant as we head into the new year. And the best part? You did it without breaking the bank. That's the kind of gardening we love here at Garden Homes. Affordable, practical, and surprisingly clever. So here's what I want you to do. Comment below with which of these Dollar Tree finds you're going to grab first, or maybe you already have a favorite hack like this that you swear by. Hit that like button if you learned something new today, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss another budget-friendly garden tip. Until next time, keep your hands dirty, your plants happy, and your garden thriving.